Hi everyone, today I will show you how to set up the SadTalker AI tool on a RunPod.io GPU CPU instance using
Hi
containers.
everyone, my name
This
is
is a
Benjamin
great
and
option
today
if you
I'm
don't
going
have
to
a
show you
powerful
how to
graphic card.
install
I will show you
SadTalker
through the
on
whole
RunPod
process so you can run
and
SadTalker
the
on a RunPod
on
GPU
RunPod
instance
GPU
affordably.
instance.
Let's get
So
started.
here I'm already inside the RunPod. You have to create your own account and put some credit on it. So I have around like $5, which is enough for me. Um, Now I'm going to show you that how we're going to install SadTalker on RunPod. And here's the steps I have created. I'm going to put those into the video description, so you will be feel free to copy from there, and then you can use it. All right, let's start. How we're going to when we sign in inside the run pod, go to pods and then click on the GPU pod, which I'm going to pick over here. Like get like something lower cost. Community cloud, and I pick normally 4090 4090 RTX 4090. Here is I click on the deploy and I pick over here RunPod, PyTorch 2.1 and start Juniper. What else? Yeah, that's all for now. And I click continue. It's gonna cost you 54 cents per hour, and I click on deploy. So it's gonna take like maybe like less than a minute. Yeah, so here's the one. Once it is done, the, creating my GPU, my pod over here, and once it's done, you will see the connect button enabled. I'll just click on it and then run our Juniper Net notebook. Yep, all set. So wait for the Juniper notebook, which is not ready yet. Connect again. It'll take a couple of seconds, then it will be ready. Connect. Normally it shouldn't take that much time. It was fast before. All right, yeah, got it. So connect. Juniper Network notebook. All right, guys, we have our notebook over here. So here's your workspace. We're going to put everything over here. I click on the terminal, and here's the step-by-step guide. So it's easy for me not to type anything. So first, I'm going to get the SadTalker and click on it. Sorry, like enter on it. Yeah. So as you see, the SadTalker is here, installed already, and we will get so not this one, so this one's fine. This is my own copy. So I will enter into the SadTalker. I'm too lazy to write, so I will create a new folder called checkpoints, and then cd checkpoints will go enter inside, and then I'm going to copy all these training models, and here is going to download inside the checkpoints folder. So this is going to take a little bit time. Okay, make something wrong over here. Let's see, what's the checkpoint? All right, we got the first one. What I can do, I don't know why it didn't work. We get, so let's do it manually. Let's get this one. I just want to copy them, like all of them at once, but it didn't work out. I don't know why, so I don't want to recreate the video from the beginning. So I'll just add widget wget comment in front, so I can download them. So as you see here, it's progressing, is downloading. It is, I believe it's 148 megabytes something, but these two are big, 600 something, 600 megabytes. Yeah, that one is done. Let's go get this one. Click on this. Is almost about to complete. All right, done. So let's get the second safe tensor file. This is also around like 680 megabytes something. Alright guys, so as you see here, we downloaded all the training models into the checkpoint folder. So let's check, we got all, yes, we got all, and I'm exiting from the checkpoints folder, and then let's go check what we should do next. So we're going to install Torch Vision. This is gonna take like a little bit time, is another. All right, this is done as well. Let's get the install the ffmpeg now. So pip install ffmpeg and enter. So let's check the ffmpeg as installed or not. Let's make sure now it's not installed. So what we should do, if not installed, and we'll go to run apt update. Yeah, so this is done, and then we'll go apt install ffmpeg. All right, and say yes here. All right, so let's check ffmpeg has installed or not. Yeah, as you see, it's installed and it works now. It works now. So here is the another one. We get the Python pip install upgrade pip. Yeah, we making the pip command upgrade, and then because we're going to install, as you see here on the requirements one, so we're going to install all these packages. So in order to do this one, first you need to upgrade the pip, and then pip install -r requirement. Amazing. All right, so everything has been installed. I'll check, make sure the Python we have the version 3.10.12. Yep, so far so good. So how are we going to make our first talking avatar? Here's the command I created for you. How it works, let me explain a little bit. This is the file we're going to run with Python, and here is the driven audio. So this is your audio file. And here's the reference files for eye blinking. So it's going to the system is going to copy the eye blinking models from this video. So if you go inside the examples and reference video, so what is the name? Alexandra Ocasio. So here's the one. Let's download it and see how it document. Okay, let's create a new folder here. Say learning SadTalker.
Everyone here today endeavoring towards a better, more just future for our country and our world.
So
Infidelity.
this is going to be our reference video. So we're going to copy the eye blinking from this lady, and also the reference pose here from the same video. There's one more video over here, Katie Hill. That one also you can use it, or you can copy from or get it from your own video recording, or any other reference video on the internet is fine. So, and here's the source image, which is your avatar image. So where you're going to place it, I put everything inside the examples file. So here's the avatars comes together with the SadTalker. So if I can click on, let's say this one, so I can see that guy, or let's see this girl. Okay, let's get like art 17 PNG. All right, so I'm going to replace the file name with art underscore 17 PNG. So the result directory, where your the video, the final video will be saved inside the results directory. So once I run the command, you will see here's a folder named results, and then your file will be saved inside. So here's some parameters for still. You can check the SadTalker's GitHub page, and you can learn about this parameters. Still is helping not to move the head too much. Enhancer GFPGAN is another parameters. I'm not going to explain here. I will just give you the link and you can just check how those parameters. But this the one I prepared for you. The one of the best results I get from the SadTalker. So the expression scale, normally they put 1.0, I take it like 0.9, and then this is the quality of the video, 512, which is the maximum. Yeah, this is all what I'm going to do. I'll copy this one, and the voice, let's get the voice as well, an audio, and let's use the fayu.wow. So here I'm going to change fayu.wow, exactly like this. So if you want to put your own voice over here, just like copy paste or drag and drop into this file, and then change the file name, the one with yours and your avatar. Just change the file name over here. If you go with other folder, yeah, just change the file path. So that easy, you have to set up over here. So let's go ahead and put the comment and enter. The first time when the SadTalker you running, it downloads a few files from the GitHub page, but second time is not going to download these two files. So it's already started creating your own avatar. So let's go click, and as you see, I told you, you're gonna get the results folder. The file will be saved, the final file is going to be saved inside this results folder. Oops, we got some problem. Yeah, the file has not been find. Yeah, this we get the wrong one. So looks like we didn't. I wasn't able to copy it. So the file here correct was R17. Yeah, I wasn't able to find the voice file, so that's the reason we got this no such file or directory. Which is good actually. You have seen that, like, you see is not going to download these two files anymore. Is using the safe sensors, training models, and extracting source image, and then it starts for rendering. Let's click inside the results folder. So I think this is the file. It's not going to take for a long time because as I know, the voice file is just 28 seconds. So here is the file name, is ending with 13.04. So not yet done. So this is our avatar. Alright, this is the final step, the face enhancer. Because the current file, this one, is not in good quality one. So now is enhancing the video. It's gonna take about like 2 minutes to complete. This is interesting. Yep. I don't know what was the reason here, but you can just click on the Juniper notepad, and then you will see that like the is already done. So here's the file on results folder, and here's the file name, and here. So I'll just like SadTalker results, and here's your file. So what I'm going to do is download this file and show it to you how it is now. Perfect.
En utilisant son navigateur comme d'habitude, elle partage des informations sur ses goûts et ses habitudes de consommation.
Yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please like and subscribe. And if you have any other questions, comment down below, and I'll try my best to help you. Have a wonderful day.